yo, yo, yo. We're back. We're back.
Works for me.
I don't know about Spyro. Maybe in the world. No. I mean, aren't they made by the same company? No. Yes? Let's see, Spyro.
What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
Are they made by the same company? I'm trying to look it up. Where do they want me to go is the question. I want to go that way, but I also want to get all of these boxes. And also maybe go to this.
Looks
This
like
is
those
why I
color
like
pads are on the fritz.
Oh, it's so good. Alright. Hello? Is it once I touch it? No? Alright. What do I get? Ooh.
Yes!
Thingy.
Sure, that was everything, so I should probably get back to the mission.
Hey, what's up, Shorty?
Wanna make your enemies go bzzz?
Say, is that thunder I hear? Rain? No! It's the lightning rod! Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teammates! Upgrade the lightning rod to charge up an even greater, more horrific storm of pain!
Oh, that's nice. So, there are a lot of weapons in this game, and each weapon can be leveled up to have new passives and
Sneaking a
abilities.
little peeky peek, are we?
There's a golden thingy here somewhere. Is it under me? Oh, it is. How the hell do I get that? Huh? I see it. There's a path there. How do... Wait. That's the aim. That's my aiming thing. I can't pull myself over there. I can't jump there. Hold on. Another cool thing with the PS5 hints. I'm assuming it's something I unlock later, but this is really cool that you can do this, and it will show you how to get it. So for somebody who wants to complete the entire collectible side of things. Huh? Wait, can I make this jump? What? I'm assuming I don't have that item yet, right? I don't understand. All he did was jump. Yeah, it must be something I unlocked later. Alright, where are the upgrades to my boots, yo?
Welcome to Xerkes, your newly intradimensional gas-repellent battle flesh. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Xerkes, where we slaughter with a smile.
Wait, that was a hidden collectible? Okay. Wait, do I
Turkey's
not
usually
have any
behind the
weapons?
bar
I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
with the
don't.
spare parts.
He actually took them all. We're in a Star Wars bar. Hack it.
Whoa, the battle arena.
The universe seems even more unstable, unfortunately.
Microsoft hasn't even announced any exclusive games that will be
No. Oh.
like to
Namaste,
get
and peace be with you,
on the
Remnant.
console.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wishing.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu.
Oh, it's
Your
Peter.
friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violence-free zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? So,
thing.
this
Everybody's
hit
gonna say
list of the
one.
emperors, are you...
At the top? You bet.
I hope
Ooh, do we
Dr.
get
Nefarious
prizes?
is not causing any trouble. But knowing him, I doubt we would be so lucky.
All right, guys, I'm going to do all of these while I'm here today. So, I don't know how much story advancement I'm gonna get. Hey, I can't wait to replay this on a fucking TV. Or I need to get a 4K monitor for my PC.
Are you
My
ready
birthday's
to
around the corner,
witness
guys.
Boy, if you don't get
excitement?
Yeah, I want to drop like $1,000 on it.
Tonight, we'll fight
Oh wait, my buddy, get the buddy out. Let's use the new gun. Wave 3. Wow, this right here could have been a co-op section for sure, because this is exactly how Ratchet and Clank Deadlock was. Victory! We did it. No, I'll bring it down a little bit.
Sacré bleu! Oh! I have sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
What's up, big boy? Damn, I don't have any more of my fun guys. Oh, I do. Just kidding. You're fucked, buddy. Check this gun, guy.
Getting that signal booster.
Turns into hentai.
What did he say?
Almost got it.
Victory. Almost died.
Who now? Rhythm emerges victorious from the ravages of battle. Cheer, Cheer!
Wait, did I lower it too much?
A defeat? But how? Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your part.
We did it. Now I want to go back in so I can get all of the other stuff that they have in there.
Ooh.
Hey.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
Need a
We
re-angle
gotta get
point.
him and
Sorry.
us out of here, but
Without the Dimensionator,
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
The sequel to this
We
is
can
gonna be
locate
co-op.
the
We
phase
could
cores
only
used
hope.
to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Hey, Jinx. You owe me a soda.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Oh.
Let's build this thing.
We getting into that little robot reminds me of what was that animated series with it was an alien and then his robot companion that was in a little green dog like costume. I see.
Zerky
I might need
is
to
not
level up the
violent.
Enforcer then.
Why does he have a battle
Is there a
rifle?
lady? There was. Oh no. Okay. Most fun I had.
Tunneling straight to your enemy?
What? 10,000?
The drill hound, our finest breed of weapon. Pull the fire trigger halfway to lock
Oh, that's dope.
a durable rocket launcher onto your filthy target. Pull it fully to launch. Upgrade
That's
the rocket
fucking
to the target.
dope. Well, I definitely want that, but I don't have enough. And I also need to level up this to carry more ammo, which I cannot yet. Okay. Let's see if I can do this mission real quick. Yo, this game is so good. I love it. So I have to kill 25 with the Enforcer.
Tonight, little Zircon will put Rivet to the ultimate test.
Oh, hello.
Battling with only an Enforcer.
Alright. Oh.
What you say?
No, no, no! What? Come on. Be realistic. Oh, I don't have ammo. That's what I mean, see? What am I supposed to do now? So... Oh, ammo box. Alright. Oh. Ow. Hello? I can do this. I can. Come on. Easy peasy. All right, let's go over here. No! That's so annoying. No way.
Nice work back there.
Hello?
Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Bleezar Prime.